Hey guys, and welcome back. So still up to the process where I'm just adding in as many details as I can onto this um, sort of redesign over what I already have sort of thing. Um, I'm just designing the feet. I actually think they're too long, and that'll help here too. Um, so might bring them down just a bit. Although it's a long body. I'll come back to that. So we've got the nose break, and that'll probably be something like this. Yeah, just sorry, had a break. Uh, yeah, so just trying to get as much detail into this as possible. Just trying to make this just sort of showing on this side. I'm really focusing on the legs, but on here a lot more with the details of the ship paneling and things like that that will go in. So a handle there. Maybe make that a little bigger. Like a fuel lead there. And close that up. I don't think I closed this up, did I? I know the missiles need to be put in, but I'm just not sure how sort of big I want them to be. But actually, I'll come back to that. I do know that I want an edging here. Let's turn this upside down. might try and make that a bit thicker so that it looks like it is actually an edge. There we go. That looks okay. So the miniguns I gotta work out too, but I might draw those on here. I guess there'd be more paneling here. The wing edges probably need some as well. Yeah, just things like that, I guess, to make it look a little more detailed. So I might keep working on this today, but leave it there for the episode, just so you can sort of see where this is all heading. So hopefully you had a good, what do we say, Wednesday, and I will see you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.